I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus VS Code Insiders. We will explore the fundamental differences between these two popular code editors. VS Code is the stable, generally available version, updated monthly, offering a reliable development environment. VS Code Insiders, on the other hand, provides daily builds with the very latest features and bug fixes, allowing users to experience new functionalities before their official release. Understanding these distinctions is key to choosing the right tool for your workflow. The stable version of VS Code is the go-to choice for most developers, offering a robust and dependable platform. It undergoes extensive testing, ensuring a highly reliable experience for your projects. With monthly updates, you receive well-vetted features and performance improvements, minimizing disruptions to your workflow. This version is ideal for production environments where stability and predictability are paramount, providing a solid foundation for your coding endeavors. VS Code Insiders is perfect for those who love to live on the cutting edge. You get daily updates, giving you immediate access to new features, experimental changes, and the very latest bug fixes as soon as they are developed. While this means you might encounter occasional bugs, you also play a crucial role in shaping the future of the editor by providing early feedback. It is an excellent choice for testing new functionalities and contributing to the community. Deciding between VS Code and VS Code Insiders ultimately depends on your needs. For most developers seeking a stable, reliable, and predictable environment for their daily work, the standard VS Code is the clear winner. However, if you are eager to explore the newest features, provide feedback, and do not mind the occasional instability, then VS Code Insiders is an exciting option. Choose the version that best aligns with your development style and priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.